It's a fantastic time of year just to see the campus alive. I just think is the epitome really of why we work for a university.
Sometimes you can feel a bit removed from the students and our actual end product, so it's actually really nice to see what we're about as a university and see the students achieving their goals.
Having the photos and seeing families from all over the world coming to see their children graduate, it's really positive.
Seeing the students all decked out in their gowns and the families all dressed up and so proud, it just gives you a real buzz. It feels fantastic to be part of that.
To see them really looking so happy, it's great, and being there with their family and friends as well. It's great to be able to spend part of their day with them, celebrating that.
It really makes you feel connected to the wider work of the university. You really get to see what the university is all about and to enjoy part of their pride in achieving their degrees.
I've been involved in graduation now probably for the last 4 or 5 years. Last 2 of those years have been as a marshal, which I particularly enjoyed. There are 4 marshals altogether, so 2 lead the procession. The procession is very formal. I love the tradition, long may it stay.
It does make you feel proud to see the hard work that comes together and the effort then is put in for the graduation.
This is why we work for a university, is for outcomes like today, and we've played a part in that, and we might not be the ones standing up in the classroom, but you know, my support staff colleagues are the ones who will have fed them and counselled them and all the other things that go with an academic life.